started earlier. It came on for a second, then it went off, and it stopped. So I'm thinking it probably fouled the plugs, is my guess. So what I'm gonna do is turn it on first. Just like on a car, the plugs get fouled. Usually it won't start because you can't get that spark. So I'm gonna see if they have enough tools here to remove the spark plug. And after I do that, I'm gonna clean the spark plug, see if I can start it. That is the plan. Oh, this is perfect. Comes right out. Oh, I'm using my phone instantly as a camera. So anyway, we're gonna see if we can get lucky here. Oh yeah, we got lucky. Perfect. Perfect. First try. This is 5/16. Nope, 5/8. I think I do because I got a socket for the top. Get the socket. Oh yeah, there's a socket in here. Oh my god, it's too first place. So I did find a socket set. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. That sits with my left hand. Anyway, all right, we got it. Let's see if we can get this thing off. Here we go. That this thing is fouled out. You can smell it. Wow, I can smell the fuel on it. So it's gone. So I know the spark plug is fouled out. So if you don't have another spark plug like I don't, and I'm not gonna go drive several miles to find out they don't have one like it. Could probably find Ace Hardware and get one if I really wanted to, but we're gonna try the first step. The first step is cleaning this spark plug. So I'm gonna clean the spark plug and see if that will work. So I'll just start cleaning it and come back in a second. I am inside. Had to come inside because I was getting attacked by mosquitoes. I got my sandpaper and I have a paper towel. And I'm going to clean it up and show you before and after. I already just started with the paper towel, as you can see. So you can see this pretty good without turning the light on. We're going to do one take with the light on right now. 1 second. Okay, this is a look with the light on. And you can see I used a paper towel, got a lot of that stuff off. Now we're going to go with this light fine sandpaper. I'll clip in when I'm done with it. Alright, so I used some light sandpaper and actually fine sandpaper and just a paper towel. Clean it up as much as I could. So now we're going to put it in and see if we can get it started. Now, this is a crapshoot. It may need a new spark plug, but I'm not going to go that far and get a spark plug. Today I'm going home to watch the Kovalev versus Ward fight tomorrow night, so I'm just going to use what they got here. If it don't work, I think some other people will be up here and they can take care of it. It's not really in anybody's way, and I think I'm not going to worry about it. So anyway, but we're going to try this anyway. So after I get it back in, we're going to try to start it. So we got the spark plug back in. Test the boot. This boot could be corroded too, but most likely it's not. Oh, we got that in. Excuse me. Give it a shot.